Hi, how are you? My name's Edward Plant. I'm one of the founders of the Business League. Together, my wife Rebecca and I run the Business League. Welcome. We've got you down as joining us for our breakfast on Wednesday, the 7th of November. And I just want to tell you a little bit about it now so that you're set up to have an amazing morning with us. The breakfast speaker that we have this on Wednesday, the 7th of November, is an amazing dude. He was bankrupt. He was 1 week off bankrupt. From that, in 7 days, he started a business that he ended up selling to GoDaddy for beyond $1 million. During that time, he wrote a book called The 7-Day Startup and now trains people to start up a business in 7 days and make it as profitable as possible, as quick as possible. He's written 4 books, I think, been converted into 12, 13 different languages, #1 bestsellers throughout. Started a new business with 2 mates 3 or 4 years ago, which is a little brewery, which has now taken out the Australian Best Craft Brewery Award for 2018. They're just about to move into new premise, and we're going to be putting Dan on the hot seat. So this is a bit different to a speaking gig that you'll go to. It is us asking him questions. Beck, an ex-journalist, will take the lead on that, and then we'll open it up to you guys to ask any questions. So just some logistics to help you with the morning. The doors open at 6:30. We start the breakfast at 7. Between 6:30 and 7, grab a coffee, networking. We'll have some members at the front door to meet you, and please come over and say good day to me and Beck. Once we kick off the breakfast, we run to 9. At the middle section, we'll grab a little break, at which time I'd love to say good day and meet you all and have a chat to you. We close at 9, bring business cards. People do hang around after the event, so don't feel like you need to rush off. If you've got any questions, hit reply to this email. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday, the 7th of November.